It's Raging Green Gaming here today, and we are playing BeamNg Drive with this random looking banana car. No, I don't say banana like that. I just in it because it's funny. I don't know. Come on, roast them. You're a V8 for heaven's sake. You got 3.2 liters on a 200-pound car. Come on. Pick up the pace. Now, I'm not really actually going that fast. It's like 75, 90. Okay, maybe I am going a little fast. And I got 2 more gears to go. Alright, let's see if I can get this thing up to like 120. And then like smash into that pole. Wait, I got a whole nother gear. Oh, dang. Oh, this thing's getting weavy on me too, man. Stop, chill. Oh no, it's maxed out and I'm lost. I'm losing it. Yep, it's dead. Wait a second. No, am I really gonna stay up? No, last second. What? No. I don't even think the thing would have drove, to be honest. Wait, did I just see that wheel come flying? Yo, look, there's the wheel. Doom, doom, doom. That little voice travel thing. I don't know, let's roast them. Wonder what happens if like it doesn't do it. I was thinking like I could clutch don't roast it, but it doesn't work. Alright, let's see what happens in a third person crash, because I'm kind of interested, to be honest with you. Like, what if, oh, I forgot, I'm in manual. I like manual on these cars better, but we could stick it in arcade automatic. See, like, but in manual it feels like it goes so much faster. Like, I don't know. But look, I'm staying straight on the line. Nope, I lied. Never mind. Hey, line. Nope. Hey, how you doing? Nope. Hey, wall. Hey, nope. How'd that happen? I tap it and then, wow. Hold on. Hold the phone. Alright, the skid marks say everything, right? I was losing it out of control, right? And then all of a sudden, I was like right here, right? And it says smack down. And I was just like, oh no, I wasn't ready. Yo, I don't know what happened, but right after I clicked the reset it crashes. Like, I don't know, I give up. But you know what? It gives me the chance to try this. I have only been on this level once. And so, with that being said, why is it giving me the wheel of death? Do you know what that means? Okay. Have you ever heard of the spinning wheel of death on apples? Well, when you get the spinning wheel of death on Windows, it's even worse, okay? Because they never ever stop. And I don't know why. And it sucks so bad. And it's telling me it's not responding. And, oh, maybe. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. You can do this. Can you? Hey guys, I'm back. It just took a little while to load. But, oh, of course, you're gonna give me problems, I understand. You know, I mean, like, well, that's just Windows. I'm not a Mac lover. Straight up, to be honest, 110% not a Mac lover. You give me a Mac, I'm going to destroy it. I'm not technically a Windows lover either, you know, because they give me problems too. And you see, no, that was just BeamNg Drive, because I was just holding the right button. Hold on, I have a question. Excuse me, sir, but, oh, where is it? Oh, dang, oh, hey, he's like right there. Now, if there was like legitimate test dummies, I would so stick them in here, but like, why? I mean, this is going like 130 miles an hour. But if you're like UK-ish, I said UK-ish, whatever. If you're like from the UK, it's like kilometers, but I can't think of like how much it would be. And I'm going into the decimal. Okay, you gotta stop that. No. What is with this? It looks like someone sat on it and then spit it back up. Yep. Makes lots of sense. Oh, no, I don't want to go that way. I don't want to go that way. Hold on, can I put the parking brake on? Oh, so that's how you stop yourself from spinning, but I don't want to hit the wall. Tell me it still drives. Yep, it does. Does it steer? Does it steer? Come on, get around the flipping corner. Oh, dang. Oh, no. it go backwards? I don't think it has enough rev power. Look, okay. Come on! This thing doesn't have enough rev power. Come on! Look, even the front wheel is turning. Jesus Christ! Alright, let's try the Hiroshi. Wait a second. You know what? Let's get that. What is it called? The Hiroshi SPR4. I like that. So I go this way. I think this is the fastest car. I think. Don't trust me. Excuse me. Set the button up. Excuse me. Hello, game? Okay. Whee! Look how fast this is. Third gear. Ooh, and it has like 7 years, I think. 8, 9, 10, 50. Drift. Off the edge. I hate them tires. The tires look like it looks like a toy. I wish there was like, oh dude, I wish you can customize these cars. I mean, I want to put like a real spoiler and not this little piece of crap. And what is the that's, I should have went down here the first time. For the first, wait, can you just like, hold on. Hey, stop it. Why is there sand coming through the ground? Hey, is everybody good back there? Hey, you good? Okay, good, that's good, honey, good. Question, no answers. What is this thing doing? It's trying to climb. Yo, look at the suspension. What am I supposed to do? Like, let it just... No, okay. We're gonna take this down. You know, I kinda hate this thing. What if we just straight took it down, like, right out here? But that's gonna hurt. It's gonna screw my front up. Yep, it did. Oh dang. Oh my god. We gonna crash. Today. It looks like I'm lagging, but I'm actually having 60 frames a second. And if you look at the speedometer, it's actually pretty accurate. Like, I mean, it's just because I'm in a tube that has the same pattern copied over. But you see, I can like control the drift. You see, it's not a problem. Oh god, I'm actually losing the drift a little bit. But I'm running 60 frames a second. If you're wondering, yep, I'm losing it. Nope, I'm done. I can't. Oh, they're right at the end of the tunnel too. Doom. I'll probably just start flipping, aren't I? Oh, yep. Doom. Oh, dang. Oh, yo, hey, that moment when you lend your girlfriend your car. What happened to it? I saw a squirrel. Really? And did the squirrel have a little wand that tells you get out the car? Maybe. Was the squirrel purple and had a beard? Yes. You just got robbed. And he wrecked it and then gave it back to you. Nah, I don't know. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. No. Hey, you know that's alright. Don't worry about it. Because I just climb it. See, I think I bet I'm gibberish. Wait a second. I came up the tubes. I should be able to come down. I gotta make it all the way up. Never mind. Screw the tubes, man. I might as well just go to the sand. The sand gives me tractions. And tractions the words. Words of the day. You know what? No. I'm just gonna crash into a forest. There's a forest just right over there. I think. I'm not sure. I mean, it's short. Yeah, but it is. So I'm just gonna go straight for that. Just straight for it. Hopefully I hit a tree. I want to hit a tree. I want to die. Not really in real life, but I'm dead. Did I just do it? Dude. Yeah. Well, that's life for you. Alright, hope you enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and enjoy the new outro and intro.